Hi, I'm Peter Wood and this is my Evo. I bought it in 2008 off the docks in Southampton with a cracked cylinder head, and I've been playing with it ever since. In 2017 I decided to turn it into a full-time track car. I brought it to Sarge and my goodness, what a difference. The whole thing has been rebuilt really from the ground up. Engine, the underpinnings, everything, and it goes like stink. It's fantastic.
5-speed transmission with extreme 200mm twin plate racing clutch, Evo 9 turbo with tubular exhaust manifold, 2-litre fully forged 4G63 engine, HKS fuel rail with as new fuel injectors, Racing Lines fuel pressure regulator, set of 4 DEFI gauges, detachable OMP steering wheel, full welded in MSA approved roll cage, brake discs with Hawk ceramic brake pads.
I drive it at Goodwood regularly on track days, and it competes in sprints as well. This year I'm looking forward to the National Speed Trials at Brighton in September, and we'll see how it really goes in a straight line.